When I was growing up, my mom always made vegetables one of two ways, either boiled or sautéed. And since I didn't know there was any other way to make them, it was fine with me. But once I tried roasted vegetables, I was hooked. And the best part, besides the taste, is that they're super easy. All we do is clean and trim up some veggies like normal. And the nice thing about roasting them is that you can mix and match them as long as you cut them so they'll all be done at the same time. Or you can just use one type of veggie. That's up to you. Then we place them on a baking sheet that's been covered with foil, drizzle them with a bit of olive oil, and sprinkle on whatever seasonings you like. Then into a hot oven they go until the edges begin to crisp up and the centers are fork tender. That's it. As a matter of fact, we've created a collection of some of our favorite roasted vegetable recipes so you can try all different kinds. Wait until you serve these up. And after you do, let us know which ones are your favorites. The roasted Brussels sprouts, which are very trendy right now, the spicy honey roasted carrots, which are to die for, or the simple roasted asparagus, which is now one of my mom's favorites. I hope you'll go online and check out our best roasted veggies so you can add some excitement to your side dishes as soon as tonight. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen with lots of ways to have everyone saying, these veggies are, ooh, it's so good.